Series versus parallel, which to choose? When deciding between series and parallel connections for your solar panels, it's essential to evaluate your specific needs and system requirements. The choice depends on various factors, including voltage and current requirements, power output needs, available space, and component compatibility. In series, voltage adds up and amps stay the same. Advantages: 1. Series connections are usually more efficient in low-lag conditions. 2. Due to higher voltage, series connection can reduce power loss due to long-distance transmission. Disadvantages: 1. The performance of a series configuration is dictated by the worst-performing panel. This means that if one panel is shaded or not operating efficiently, the output of the entire string of panels is reduced. 2. The system requires a high-voltage-tolerant inverter. In parallel, voltage stays the same and amps add up. Advantages: 1. A major advantage of parallel configuration is that the performance of the other panels is not significantly impacted if one panel is shaded or damaged. 2. Lower voltage levels mean that there's less risk of potential dangerous electrical conditions, like arson. Disadvantages: 1. In a parallel system, if the panels are not exactly the same, the stronger panel will be trying to overcompensate for the weaker panel, which can cause damage and reduce system efficiency. 2. More wiring and complex installation is often required in parallel systems. So, series versus parallel, which to choose? Which to choose depends on your specific circumstances. If you have a shade-free environment, a series configuration could be more efficient. But if some of your panels are likely to be in the shade at times, a parallel configuration might be a better choice.